Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turned this boring old nightstand into this beautiful marble side table. For this project you will need marble contact paper, a utility knife, a hammer and a screwdriver, one large and one small nail, a measuring tape, a writing utensil, and drawer handles of your choice. If you buy any from your local hardware store, the screws should be included with them. To start off, we're going to be removing the old handles with a screwdriver. Next, with a measuring tape and a pencil, I'm marking the center since I only want one handle in the middle of each drawer. Then, with a small nail and a hammer, I'm going to be making the first hole and removing the nail. After the small hole is made, I'm going back in with the larger nail to make the hole for the screw a bit wider and repeating that step for all of the drawers. Once the holes have been made, I'll be using my utility knife to cut off the small wooden flakes blocking the entryways for the screws. Now I'll be measuring and cutting the contact paper with my utility knife slightly larger than the areas that I want them on so I can easily cut off the excess pieces once I've peeled off the paper and laid the sticky parts down. Be sure to cut a small hole for where the screws will fit for your drawers and handles. Once the contact paper is on, you're ready to attach the handles. And there you have it. What was once a not so good looking piece of furniture at the thrift store has now turned into a beautiful side table. Be sure to comment below, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Chubsy, come here.
Is that a pimple or
Chubsy, come here. Pam, I'm recording. What if I tap the ground? Come.
No, he doesn't wanna.
Chubsy, come.
Come. Chubs!
Where are you? Get away from my desk, you bad burb.
So rude.
Come.
Why are you biting me so much? Uncle Albert can sing.
Chubsy, come.
I don't want Rita.
Chubsy, come here. Chubsy, come here.
He's